Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome, welcome. Thomas Masters, good morning. Kyle Lubers, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone's doing well. Kyle Lube down 46K. Wow, that's only possible if you have 20 accounts with a trade copier, huh? Down 46K. Wow. Wow. I mean, hey, with big gains or big losses, what can I say? What can you say? Pandas, 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 pandas. Come on, pandas. Hope everyone's doing well. Gonna go over my off-stream trades on these accounts. Basically, I tried to go long on this super strong uptrend, and I kept getting tick-shotted. And when I finally went long here to hold it for a swing, I skunked it. I got too scared and took a short here, lost it, skunked this. So your boy got hit hard, but hey, today's a new day. We start over, reset that mental capital, and you treat every single trade like it's your last trade. You gotta forget about yesterday in terms of emotions. You gotta just remember your mistakes. You gotta remember the lessons you learned. That's all you gotta carry over from yesterday to today. And yesterday's yesterday. We focus on today only. Pandas, you guys ready? You ready to focus? I got that lion's mane in me. I got that lion in me. I got that panda in me. I should make panda's mane. Got an overshoot leading to an undershoot here, most likely. Also a triangle forming, as you can see. Do I think it's gonna be uptrend day today, downtrend today? Let me know what you guys think. Very curious. Ended up being a monster day yesterday. Monster bull trend. Look at the 5-minute chart was the chart to trade. Anyone says the 20 EMA is not important on the 5-minute chart, I just want you guys to look at this. I mean, this is not a coincidence, bouncing off the 20 EMA like this. It's too perfect. It's too perfect. This is one of those 1% days where you don't have two closes underneath the 20 EMA. You have one close underneath the 20 EMA right here, and your boy tried to take advantage of that, and still lost money trying to go long. How's it possible? I do not know. But it's one of those 1% days. Literally, it's a 1% day. It's 99% chance that there'll be two closes underneath the 20 EMA on the 5-minute. Yesterday was not one of them. Curious to see what happens. This triangle's trying to resolve. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Make sure you scalp that like button. Also, make sure you drop a GM in the chat. I'd love to know who's here. Hugh, good morning. Kyle Lubers. Peter, good morning. Born Thor, good morning. Chewy, welcome. Exponential. From Cape Cod. All right. Mike G, good morning. 20 accounts, 4 contracts. Whoo! That's aggressive. That is aggressive. If you're trading the 50K accounts, that's really aggressive, I think. Unless you have a setup like Big Mama, which like a solid 80% chance. Caliber still up quite a bit. Still hurts. Yep. That's good. That's good. At least you got some buffer. It'd be very good if you can withdraw, right? That's when you withdraw. Now everything's telling you, you got to withdraw something. You got to protect that bamboo some way or another. We're at $1,600 right now. We're still on pace for $160 a $160 a day. Maybe I should post on the top left how many days we've been trading so far and how many withdrawals we've done. I think I do need to keep track of that sometime. All right, Chris, did I withdraw? You can't request withdrawals until September 1st to the 5th. I may miss it, though. I may miss it. I'm not going to force it, though. Chewy says, when is the next Apex sale? It's a good question, Pandas. It's a very good question. I feel it coming, though. If it... I feel it coming. It should be coming soon. If it does come. Maybe they're like, all right, we've spoiled them too much. We got to change it up. We got to take away the sales for an extended period of time to make them know that these sales, you know, after a while you get diminishing returns, right? If you just keep doing the same thing. So they're going to kind of pull back maybe a little bit and keep you on your toes. I don't know. We'll see, though. I'm very curious. I'm very curious to see what they're going to do. Happy camper. Good morning. I hope they put a sale out. Chris says I was up 52,800. Yeah, I went over what happened, but had a red day yesterday. Had a red day, but Pandas, even with a red day yesterday, I'm still on pace making $160 a day. You know, as long as your average is about over 100, you're on pace for six figures. Over 100 a day. Killian says yesterday was hard. Yesterday was hard because it was a 1% day. Legitimately, 5-minute chart. This is a 1% kind of day where you only have one close underneath the 20 MA. Typically, 99% chance you have two closes underneath the 20 MA. This is only one single close. So yesterday was a 1% day, and no one expects a 1% day. No one trades a 1% day. No one has a strategy that says, "Oh, I'm looking for that 1% day," because 99% of the other days are losing. We did have news this morning. It didn't really do much, to be honest. We're still in this triangle. I want to resolve here. News at 9:30? Really? I didn't see that. I don't have news at 9:30. News already passed for me. Maybe we're using different calendars. Y'all. Different calendars, y'all. Well, news at 9:30 could just be market open. That's news. The market is opening. Breaking news. Welcome, guys. Kellyanne in the house. Welcome. Igor, welcome. Mo7, welcome. If you guys are in the chat, make sure you drop a GM. And also, scrap that like button. Your boy needs some bamboo. I need that AdSense money. Because I'm struggling right now. Down 1,000 from my highest peak. Manufacturing PMI. I think that's tomorrow. Manufacturing PMI is actually on Friday. That's at 10 a.m. That's Friday. Tomorrow we have news at 8:30. I'm not sure, Kelly. Getting a push up here. Still in this triangle, as you can see. Market's about to open in 1 minute. I gotta wait for this triangle to resolve. Okay. Still don't know. Market's about to open in 10 seconds though. Alright, market just opened. Pushing up. Maybe break to the upside on this triangle. I don't know. We're still in this triangle, so I'm sitting on my pause. It looks strong. Looks like it's going to go up here. Pushing up. Okay. Can't speak too soon here. 1, 2, 3. Still in the triangle. As long as we're in a triangle, it's hard to say what's going to happen here. Still 50-50 in my opinion. Okay, keeps peeking upwards, creeping upwards. Still waiting. It looks bullish to me. I don't know. Breaking to the upside here. Okay. Very cool. I had a big mama kind of set up here, but ended up taking out because of the triangle. Jeez. It would have worked out. I would have stayed in this trade, but it's just a hard trade take, in my opinion. Hard trade to stay in. Especially through the open. Yes, CNY. What is that? The Chinese yen? Well, come on. Why? Don't look at the Chinese yen news. All right, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. The daily chart pandas. What a monster. Right, coming back to the top of the, if you guys remember yesterday, I mentioned that we could come back to the top of the trading range on the trading range indicator on the daily chart, and that's what we did. Potentially could have bounced off of it, but man, this could be always in long now. If we get two bull closes above the 20 MA. Nasty, nasty stuff. What do I want to do here? I don't know. Am I trying to go long? We were broke the overnight high. Maybe it's double top here. There's a gap on the 5-minute chart. There's a gap here now. What are the chances of having 2 super strong bull days in a row?
10,000 tick trap.
What are the chances? Are they high? I don't know. 50% of you guys think it's going to be a trading range day today. Okay. Keeps pushing up here. Am I looking for a second entry long? Am I looking for a second entry long here? Keeps pushing up. Strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Very strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Let's see if there's follow through. Jeez. Looks like it's trying to create follow through. I got no setup though. Again, no setups. Even if it's a super strong bull trend, doesn't matter. We need a setup. We need our setup. Iron Cruise. Got my scalp. Woohoo! Now I can chill. Yep, relax. Just relax. Relax. Enjoy your day. Go out, have a drink. You deserved it. You earned it. Second entry long. Second entry long. Okay. Okay, I'm looking for a trap trade here, pandas, yeah? Am I looking for a trap? Am I looking for a fail second entry long, pandas? Am I looking for a second entry long or fail second entry long? Is that what I'm looking for? Will the market give it to me is the question. I doubt it. Doubt it. Look, it's going without us. What can you do? No follow through on that 5-minute chart, right? Bull bar, who cares? No follow through doesn't mean anything. All it means is exhaustive. Ooh. Fail second entry long. Underneath the 20 MA here. It's an outside bar reverse. I don't care. I'm entering it. I like the context so much that I entered with the outside bar reversal. I do not care. The context is good. You got to discern that though yourself. I go with 2 because I want to run one. I want to have a runner here because it could be a big swing trade potentially. I don't mind losing this. I just feel like the setup is good. It's an outside bar reversal. I could have maybe be a little more patient, wait for the actual trap trade. Right, trap trade will happen if we break a previous candle's low now at this point. It hasn't actually happened yet because the candle didn't complete. So I may be kicking myself a little premature here, but pandas, I still like the trade. I still like the context. I like the fact that this bull bar on the 5-minute chart had no follow through whatsoever. And it just reversed.
10,000 tick trap.
And now I'm going to get hit. That's what happens when you're not patient. You got to wait for the actual setup. Ouch. All right, gets me. Jeez. All right, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I will attempt it again, though. I will attempt it again if we get a trap here. This is why I don't like outside bar reversals. I should have been patient, but no big. We'll attempt it again if we get another opportunity. Ooh, the signal bar is ugly. I don't know about that. Attempt it again. Do I still want it? Do I still want it is a question. I don't know. I don't know about this anymore. We're above the 20 MA. I mean, if this signal bar is super green, I don't think I can take it. If we get a decent signal bar here, preferably underneath the 20 MA. I don't think we're gonna get it though, pandas. And this is why I got slippage here too. Super frustrating. Slippage, 2 tick slippage. Actually, 1 tick slippage. Frustrating. All right, cancel. That's kind of what happened with these trades here, what I lost. Yesterday was a super strong uptrend. So I tried to go long. And look at this trade here. I went long here, coming off the 20 MA, also off our trend line. On a second entry long. On a decent signal bar. And look at my slippage. I had my stop loss 1 tick underneath right here. My slippage was 1.5 points. I had 1.5 point slippage right here. That made me so frustrated. And so I think I started to get a little bit on tilt and I went long here and got slippage again. 0.5 point slippage here. So altogether about 2 points of slippage out of nowhere. And then I go long here and skunk this because I'm so tilted I can't focus. Super frustrating, pandas. Oh my! Pandas, what in the world? What is this? The trap happens here, but above the 20 MA with a terrible signal bar. What in the world? What in the world was that? Alright, I'm sorry. That's why you gotta wait. That's why outside bar reversals are very risky. Jeez, alright, I'm sorry. Sorry. Keeps pushing down. This is the reversal I was looking for. Unfortunately, gonna miss it. The setup was terrible. Traps me here, and I skipped it because of super strong bull bar above the 20 MA, and now it keeps
10,000 tick trap.
It is what it is, pandas. What can you do? What can you do? Maybe take the second just short if we get it. The market is tricky. No one said this was gonna be easy. No one said this was gonna be easy. Signal bar so ugly. Oh my god. What an ugly signal bar. Double bottom here, huh? Huh. Interesting. Alright. The 5-minute chart, it's just trading range right now. It keeps being bought at the bottom here, the bottom of these candles. Keeps getting bought. It might need one more push up on the 5-minute chart. Regardless, I cannot take this short on this candle, this kind of candle. Too bullish. I'm trying to go short here, but it might be my mistake. Okay. 2 pushes up. Coming right back up to where it started to reverse. Huh. I don't know. This is tricky. It's like a trading range now. The hard part about trading ranges for me is that typically the setups happen on the opposite side of the 20 EMA. This is a big reason why it's hard for me. So second entry short. I could try. The signal bar is quite large. Okay. I don't know if I want to try anymore. 1, 2, 3. Bouncing off the previous day's high. This is tough. It's tough for me. My bias is short, but the market's still bullish. It's a bad place to be in your mentally.
10,000 tick trap.
Interesting. It's too choppy, overlapping bars. I don't know what to do here, Panis. I'm gonna sit in my pause here. Petrolin says, balancing off the 20 MA. Yes, it is. That's another reason why it's hard for me to go short. 10,000 tick chart, balancing off the 20 MA. Yikes. Alright, I mean, it's just choppy. What can I say? If things are choppy, then what can you do? Just let it chop around without you. You don't want to get caught in the chop. They're already 5-point stop loss. Oh my god. That's a huge stop loss. Moisin as, are they funded? If you look at the threshold, it turns static. That should answer your question. If you don't know, they are funded, right? Only funded counts turn static threshold. All right, we got that second push up finally. I mean, it still looks kind of bullish, but it makes sense to go short here. Kind of weird, but it makes sense to go short here. For me, I typically like to go on a lower high of some sort. Best setup is a fail second entry long to go short here. Darn, it got me here. It got me. You could also tell by the title. We're funded accounts. Right in the title for you. Huh. Interesting. What to do. My instincts tell me we're at the top of a trading range. My primal instincts here. I still like this trade. I mean, I don't mind it. I don't mind losing that trade. I don't like the slippage though. I've been getting a lot of slippage these days. Okay, we're gonna trap trade to the long side. I can't take it. I cannot take it. I cannot take this long trade.
10,000 tick trap.
Cannot do it. It looks very bullish though. Scalps out. just instantly. Incredible. I mean, right 1, 2, 3 hits. I mean, I can't go long. It's a breakout trade. Certainly a breakout trade right there. I mean, can you blame me on the 5-minute chart? I'm expecting to come back to the 20 MA, but now it's doing something wild. Daily chart just might have 2 bull bars. I don't know. Can you blame me? We want to come back to the 20 MA, fill the gap on the 5-minute. Can you blame me for thinking that? The one trade so far. I mean, sooner or later, maybe I should just give up and just go long again. Every time I go long in a strong uptrend, I lose money. I don't know how it's possible, but I'm capable of doing it, pandas. I can do it. I can do the impossible. I can go long on a super strong uptrend and still lose money. Yours truly has a great gift. Goodness. There's no way this is always in long on 5-minute chart. There's no way. That's crazy. Are we always in long on the 5-minute? That's crazy. There's no way we're always in long. I cannot believe it if we are. We might be always in long on the 5-minute. Absolutely crazy. Wow. The 5-minute. Always in long. Do I have to even explain how crazy this looks? I mean, if anyone saw this, would you think this is expected? Oh my god. Why do I think it's always in long? 5-minute chart, look at it. There's a gap here. That means they are so eager to buy, they bought it even with a 1 tick loss. Oh my god. Well, this is seriously diamond cojones trading right here. Just to go long anywhere, everywhere. Diamond cojones trading. The daily chart. Nozim up 380. Congrats. At least someone's making bamboo. This is absolutely crazy. Wow. I'm just watching. I'm just watching the show, pandas. I'm watching the show. I have no entries whatsoever. Just enjoying the show. It's just crazy. I can't handle the risk. The 5-minute chart. Right? If you're always in long, you're willing to risk basically all of this here. You know, for those who are always in long, are essentially willing to risk here to here. 15 points. So 15 points might be their target. Jeez. I mean, I can't enter this, pandas. Even though it's obviously going up, I cannot enter it. This is wild. Just watching. I'm just watching this spectacular show. I hope you guys have your popcorn. Kyle Loomis up 643. Congratulations. Killing it. Just watching. I don't think I have the cojones to go long here. I certainly do not. But apparently some people might. People are buying long. People are going long here. I do not care. I'm just going long. People do not care. They don't care how much risk it is. They just like, we're going long. We don't care. Just keep going long. This is like if you're on the craps table and you keep pressing on the 6 and it's about 30 rolls in and they keep pressing the 6 without pulling out their money. That's how it feels like right now, what people are doing. You got to have some serious cojones. Adamantium cojones. Oh my god. Vibranium cojones. Wow. Keeps pushing up. On her first entry, makes a scalp. It's nasty. That's just rancid. This is rancid. This is just spectacular. I can't. I'm watching it, but I can't. Like, I'm not going long there. I'm not going to go short anywhere either. I'm trapped out of this trade. This trend is invincible right now. Am I looking for a long trade, pandas? I feel like by the time my second entry long comes up, it's going to be too late in trend. Oh. It's a small pullback bull trend right now. Do not go short. A small pullback bull trend. Regardless, no setups though. It's a nasty move, but no setups. If this keeps going up, Pandas, this is a serious miracle right here. Wow. Are we getting another first entry here? Unstoppable, huh? Don't fight the trend. It triggers a first entry long. Don't ever fight the trend. This is a lesson. Don't ever fight the trend. Goodness gracious. I mean, this is an unsustainable uptrend. What can you say? Wow. First entry. People are still going long. They do not care. That is wild. Look at this bull trend. I mean, I'm just watching. It's just amazing to know this can happen. You know, it's impossible to trade. It's impossible to know that this is going to happen. It's impossible to actually, you know, expect this to happen and trade with it. But, geez. Blacklight Gypsy. I'm late. What's up, y'all? Going to make it back. No worries in the jungle, Panda. Yes. That's the mindset. You got to treat every single trade like it's your last trade. This is absolutely incredible. What I'm seeing. We are witnessing a miracle right now, Pandas. Okay, coming back to the 20 MA. I mean, it feels exhaustive. What can I say? I don't know. But can I really go short after this? I don't think so. Another first entry. I've learned over my time that after you get a bull move like this, the second entry doesn't work because it's exhausted. If you get a second entry long here, I'm not taking it. I can't take it. I've been bid by this way too many times. Like, you're super eager to go long because now you finally got your second entry long, but the move is so strong that it's basically has like no more fuel in the tank in a sense. You can take it, be my guest. I cannot take it. I cannot go long here. I simply cannot. That's the first time bulls didn't make money.
10,000 tick trap.
Second entry long. Pandas. Let me ask you what you guys want to do, though. You guys might have different opinions than me. Would you take the second entry long off the 20 MA? Second entry long off the 20 MA right here. A, B, C. Second entry long. It's a small signal bar. The risk is so small. You almost gotta take it. The risk is that small, huh? You almost gotta take it with the risk that small. You almost have to take it. Such a small risk in this trade. Risk is so small, I just figured it's worth it. It's not even 2-point risk. It's a 1.5 point risk. On a super strong uptrend, second entry long off the 20 MA. It's looking decent. It's looking okay. Almost a 1-to-1 is made already, though. The risk is so small. I don't mind losing it, but what you can gain is a lot. It's a good risk reward ratio here, and looks like I'm gonna get hit here. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. I knew that was gonna happen. But the risk is so small, you gotta try it, right? I mean, what's the worst that can happen? You lose 200. Not even 200, you lose 150. Trap triggers. Most likely will take me out now. Unfortunately. Super frustrating. You know, the first second entry long you get off the 20 MA. Small risk. You gotta try it, and then it's probably gonna stop you out. Coming out break even here. I don't like when my trade reverses. I don't like to stay in it. I'm just gonna get out. I'm out of this trade. My trade reverses, I don't like it. It might work out though. I'm just moving on. Like, how are you going to reverse like that? Oh, it does work out perfectly. Not yet, though. Not yet. But most likely will work out. But if my trade reverses, I'm just out. I'm out. Especially, I'm already kind of skeptical about this. The worst that can happen, you lose less than 2 points. But at the same time, when your trade reverses like this, if you come out break even, I'm coming out. I don't care.
10,000 tick trap.
And if it gets me, it gets me. If it moves, if it keeps blasting upwards, then it blasts upwards. I just can't do it. And it's just like it's just one of those days where I just don't do well. You know, it's probably one of those days I just don't do well. Where you got a second entry long, it decides to reverse and then go its way. It's just so risky to hold. And you always say with hindsight bias, right? Like, I don't know if this will be really good idea to have done, but with hindsight bias, you can tell, like, okay, well, that's good or bad. But otherwise, I'm out. If it reverses on me, I'm just happy I didn't get stopped out. You know what I'm saying? 2 points are made. So congratulations to those who held. I just couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. Pandas, I can't do this. I gotta get out. Once it reverses, I gotta get out, right? The trade actually reversed on me, and it actually ends up reversing immediately afterwards. But I just came out break even. Whatever, Pandas. Moving on. It's wild. This is wild. I can't do it. Days like this, I hate days like this. Again, most likely we'll have another red day today. I just can't trade days like this. It's super tricky. It reverses on me here, right? I get the outside bar reversal, takes me out, and then the next one actually works. Super frustrating. This one, second entry long, reverses, come out break even, and actually works out. Super frustrating. Again, it's very frustrating. Scalps should be quick, right? Scalps should be scalps. They're called scalps for a reason. It's because you want to get in and out of the trade. If I have to hold this through a whole entire reversal, a double reversal, I'm not holding my trade through that. In a sense, I'm super thankful the fact that I can even come up break even right there, to be honest. Inside bar on the 5-minute chart. Five-minute chart inside bar. OI pattern. Right, he's creating a triangle here essentially. I'll take a failed trap here to go short. Trap triggers, but triangles made. Meanwhile, how many hours I trade? Depends. If I don't like the market cycle within the first 2 hours, I just close it down. If I like the market cycle, I might stay in longer. Just watching. It looks like a bear or bull flag here of some sort. I just don't like the 5-minute. I don't like how the 5-minute creates these wicks here. I don't like the 5-minute how it creates inside bars, OI pattern. But I pretty much have the charts up all day. I'm on my computer most of the time. Am I a student? I'm not a student. Wow. All right. I'm a student of life. Pushing up. Breaking out. No say. No say. No say what to do. Jeez. Oh, pandas. Wow, another bull trend day today. I just can't handle it. I can't. I've been burned by this so many times and it works out here. Super strong uptrend. I usually get burned by them when I try to enter the second entry long. It actually works out here and I skunk it. I skunk it. I skunked too many winning trades. Really frustrating. Nasty. Nasty price action here. Oh, so far away from 20 MA on the 5-minute chart. It's unbelievable. Having another day like this. We had this day. We have this day above the 20 MA. And now we're going to have another day right after it above the 20 MA. It's just unbelievable to me that we'll have that many super strong bull trend days.
$10,000 tick trap.
I don't know. Okay, pushing down. Cool. No entries. Very cool. %51% of you said you took the second entry long. Congratulations if you held it. I took it. The risk was small. I should have held it by virtue of the risk just being small. I don't know. I'm looking for a failed second entry long here. Lower high if you're really eager. You can enter the lower high here, but it's risky. What I'm looking for is A, B, C, A. And one more reversal. Let's see if we get a setup here. It's a lower high setup. That might be all you get. Pretty eager to go short, but I want to wait for my setup. I don't want to jump the gun here. He's got a failed breakout. Reversing. And like, that might be the only pullback you really get here. Just gotta wait for my setup. What can I do? Just wait for my setup. Fail second entry long. That's what I'm looking for. Again, that might be the only pullback you get. Might be always in short right here. It's really hard. I mean, you're not gonna get a setup. I'm not gonna get a setup here. Pretty certain. It's just gonna go down without me. Like really hard down. Yep. No setup. What can you do? What can you do? I mean, if you don't get a sub, you don't get a sub. You only take what the market gives you. Even if you're reading the market quite accurately now. I can't stray from what I typically do just because I feel a certain way. Now this downtrend is relentless. No way to get in. There's no way to get in. That lower high was your setup. Like I mentioned, it's risky, but that's your setup if you want to go short. Now we're at the bottom of the trading range. Can you even take a lower high here? And this is what trading's about, pandas. If you think trading's glamorous, this is what trading's really about. You just stare at the market and your setup never happens, even though it goes the way you want it to go. Goodness gracious, I can't do anything. I can't enter this. I can't enter. I can't enter. I cannot enter this setup. I cannot enter this trend, pandas. So frustrating. You cannot enter this trend. You cannot enter this trend. No setup whatsoever. I was eager to go short, but now we're at the 5-minute 20 EMA. We're at the 5-minute 20 EMA now, so I'm not too eager to go short. Now my setup will happen in a bad spot. Just gotta skip it. It's unfortunate. So it is what it is, though. What can you do? Cool. I got my setup here now. Right at support. It's impossible to take. I'm gonna skip it. Do I like a second entry short here? I don't even know anymore. I don't even know, to be honest. I don't even know if I like a second entry short here. I'm so tilted. I am so tilted right now. I'm sorry. I'm so tilted. I'm just so tilted right now, pandas. I'm sorry. This is just rancid. Meme as, how much will I need to get 50,000 count? I'm talking about fees. If you wait, depends if you want to wait for a promo. Usually there's a BBM 90 or BBM 80 code you can use when there's like a holiday. Labor Day's coming up soon, so there may be a promo coming up. If you want to, you can get 50% off right now, BBM 50. That's kind of ongoing forever. But if you want to and wait, be patient enough, you can wait for one of those promos. If you get 80% off, the 50K account is only $30. If you wait for the 90% off, that's only $16. Very cheap for evals. If you can pass the evals, then you can pay for the you have to do one more payment for the PA account, the funded account. Root asks, what's the playlist? It's not on Spotify. Perfect scalps. There's no way I can take it. I'm just gonna stare at this. Basically, the only setup that I liked, I took and I lost. Right? I actually like this setup right here. I lost it. It's all good, pandas. Moving on. It's the only setup I liked, but this setup I do not like. It's not even at the 20 MA. It's too far down now. It's too late in the trend. It's just terrible. Yeah, it works out. So what can you do? This is a day where the worst setups work out and the good setups fail. This is the kind of day it is. is how I feel. Tilted. Traps work out, but what can you do? So tilted right now. I can't do this. It's so frustrating. Meme World says, how much you have right now in fundings? Well, if you can add, look at the top left of your screen, you can see how much I have in fundings. Answer my chat, bro. Why? I don't have to. But you're welcome for answering it. Just use your brain a little bit. Top left of the screen. You can find out how much I'm funded. Frustrated to the max here. Might do it always in short on the 5-minute. Fills a gap. The 5-minute chart, just incredible uptrend, incredible downtrend. Ooh, what can you do? No entries whatsoever. No entries up here, no entries down here. Just watching. Mark asks, what if he doesn't know how to add? That might be the case. That might be the case. Knowing that he has very, very little social awareness, coming into my channel, demanding I answer his chat, bro, when the answer is literally in the top left of the screen. It's so ignorant. Meanwhile, it's not the fact that you thought that. That's fine. It's the fact that you said, answer my chat, bro. Like, who says that? Who demands to be answered? Like, you're coming into my channel. I don't have to answer anything. Especially when I already have the information up there. It's actually wild. Don't say sorry that, oh, hey, I just thought wrong. You say sorry because you're trying to demand an answer from me. Like, who does that? It's so rude. I legitimately can't do anything here. It's just falling like a rock right now. Man, what is this? Oh my goodness. Second entry short. I'll take it. Whatever. I don't care. I'm just gonna take a second entry short. What kind of trend is this? Like, look at what kind of day it is today. Like this and this. Like, what am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to trade this? It's just insane. The 5-minute big up, big down. It could end up turning to a trading range, which actually makes the second entry short bad. Oh. Days like today. Second entry short. Super strong downtrend. Unbelievably strong downtrend. Second entry short forming possibly here. But big up, big down can also mean trading range day. So this could be the bottom of the trading range. Trading is that confusing, pandas. Trading is that difficult. You really have to consider all these things and really consider the fact that most of the time you don't have a good setup. So first entry here. Second entry possibly forming here. Hopefully this will make it easy for me and don't give me a nice signal bar off of 20 MA. Hopefully it doesn't do that, so it just makes it easy for me to skip. If it's a good signal bar, that's going to be tough. If it's a good signal bar to go short here. Oh, goodness. It's going to be a good signal bar, isn't it? Signal bar is not the best. Whoa. What the? Okay. Just pass it. That was crazy. It happened like instantly. I don't understand. It happened like 1 second. I'm just skipping it. I'm skipping it. That's crazy. It's a bad signal bar as well. The risk is not too large though. It's about 2-point risk, but the signal bar quality is bad. It doesn't make sense for me to go long here either. We need a new low. I can't go long. I'm gonna just sit on my pause here. You can't go short. You can't go long. What can you do? Nothing. Just stare at the market. Maybe a failed trap. I'll consider it. At this point, you're looking for a new high though. Right, break a trend to new high. It's kind of what you want at this point. Okay, trap triggers, pandas, amazing. So if you do that second entry short, you just got stopped out. That's how tricky this market is right now. It's super tricky, pandas. If you're saying this is easy, I don't think you've been trading long enough. This is not easy. This is very tricky, actually. The first, second entry short that appears after this massive downtrend fails. It fails. It fails by 1 tick. You got tick shotted right there. Meanwhile, it's all good. I mean, seriously, it's all good. It's just don't do that. If it's a language thing, miscommunication thing, then yeah, you gotta work on that then. Trap works out for you. Incredible. It's absolutely nasty. Watch this bounce all the way back up. Watch this seriously bounce all the way back up here. I wouldn't even be surprised. My goodness. Oh, I can't even take this trap. I cannot take this trap either. 'Cause you're looking for a new low still. Incredible move up. Big old trading range, huh? 5-minute chart, like I said, big up, big down could lead to a trading range, which is why I was not willing to go short here. What in the world? This is wild. We're still looking for a new low here, pandas. Oh, I'm about to trade the 5-minute chart only. Oh. About to trade the 5-minute chart, always in short. I'm about to do it. I'm very close to doing so. What is going on? I'm just so tilted. I wanted to set up here. If we don't get it down here, when it does trigger, it works out beautifully. But I can't even take it. I can't even take it. Good setups are failing. Bad setups are working. It's just marquee signs of trading range day. Second entry long. Do I like it? Heck no. Heck no. Do I like the second entry long? I will take the fail second entry long here with a double position. Because we still need that new low here. Right. Break a trend, new high already created. Second entry long. We're looking for the reversal here. Whew. Scalps out immediately. I'm just, I mean, for me, I feel like a break of trend to new high already happened. So I'm not taking that long. In fact, even if it didn't happen, you have an overshoot. I lean to undershoot. Okay. Making a new high here. I'm not thinking short anymore. This is crazy.
$10,000 tick trap.
Second just short. Above the 20 minute. You can't go short here whatsoever. I don't know, pandas. I'm happy sitting my pause here. I'm down 325, but honestly, I just don't know what's happening. Day of the triangles. So many triangles today. Triangle here. Beginning of the day is a triangle. 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 Second just short on 10,000 tick chart. It's a trap trade too. 10,000 tick. Pikachu trade on 10,000 tick chart. I may take it. The only problem is the risk is large. Jeez. Risk is quite large here.
10,000 tick trap.
But your boy's tilted. Your boy is tilted. Second entry short, Pikachu trade, 10,000 tick chart. I gotta take this trade. Looking for a new low still here. Your boy is tilted. Triangle though, currently, still. Ugh. Got nothing. I got nothing. Welcome to Trading Pandas. This is what trading's about. Getting super frustrated and tilted. Whoo, hoo, 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 hoo. If you want your patience to be tested, start trading, please. It is the best way to realize. I'm happy. I'm happy, pandas. I'm happy. Are you happy? I'm happy. I'm a happy panda. I'm glad. I'm glad I'm down 325. I'm glad there's no setups. I'm glad nothing's happening. This makes me happy. You know? As Marilyn Monroe says, if you can't take me at my worst, you don't deserve me at my best. That's what the market's telling us right now. You gotta just love the market for what it is. The good and the bad and the absolute rancid. Straight rancid right now. Oh my. I need Michael Chin. I need Michael Chin in the house. Tell me what to do. So what a day. I mean, I don't mind the price action. It's just no entries. You know, if you get a big bull move, like you want at least one entry, you don't get any. And the bear move, there's 1 second entry short along the entire way, and it fails. Basically took one trade today, and that was the best trade I think of the day, to be honest. I think setup wise is probably the best. Yeah, it fails, so what can you do? Double top here. This breakout might fail. Still eyeing this Pikachu on the 10K chart. But a big up, big down makes me feel like trading range day today.
$10,000 tick trap.
All right. Shall we? Huge risk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 point risk. Might as well take it with a micro. Interesting. Creates a strong bull bar here. Curious to see what happens. It's the day of the triangles. boy's tilted. I'm done. All right, Panis. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Trade reversed on me. I come out break even. I don't care. All right, Panis. Hope everyone had an amazing day. Hope everyone's doing better than me. And yeah, don't get tilted. Right? Today's one of those days. You just get tilted, and you gotta just leave the market. I gotta walk away from this, Pandas. I need to walk away from this, and I need some time. I need to walk away. I need to stand up, act physically, get away from this. It's actually rancid, and I'll come back when I feel like I'm ready mentally. It's not even about the market. It's about my mentality, and I cannot trade this. It's too confusing, and I'm too tilted. So I'm gonna do dumb stuff. So Pandas, make sure you can check yourself before you wreck yourself. I'll see you guys bright and early. Oh, actually tomorrow, Panda. Sorry, I'm not gonna be streaming tomorrow. I'll see you guys on Friday, bright and early, 9 o'clock for the pre-market show, 9:15 for the mainstream. So sorry, yeah, I won't be there tomorrow, but I'll see you guys then. Okay, all right, Pandas. I'll see you guys. Hopefully you guys trade better, trade safe. Everyone's always happy trading. God bless. Bye.
$10,000 tick trap. 5-minute trap. $10,000 tick trap. 5-minute trap. Five-minute trap.